Are you ready for some homework help? This is day 1, week 1 of the second marking period homework, and here are the 2 problems I'm going to help you with. First one says put the following integers in least to greatest order. So integers are just negative and positive numbers and 0. These are 4 integers right here. Now, in order to compare them, I have 2 rules written down over to the side. The one rule says positives and zeros are always greater than negatives. That's the easiest rule to understand. The second rule says when comparing negatives, think in reverse, and I'll show you what I mean. First thing I'm going to do here when I'm comparing integers is I'm going to draw 4 blanks just so I know where my 4 integers are going to go. And this is going to be least and this is going to be greatest over here. Now I usually start with any positives and zeros because they're easier. So for example, 0 and 7, remember positives are always greater than negatives. So 0 and 7 will be the 2 greatest integers. Now I'm done with those. Now I'm just left with the 2 negative integers. Now this is where rule 2 comes in handy when it says comparing negatives, think in reverse. And here's what I mean. Normally, if these were positive numbers, 5 would be bigger than 2. But remember, they're negative, so think in reverse. That means negative 5 is less than negative 2. So that means it's less, and then negative 2 is second, and that one's done. So negatives, you always treat them the opposite you would think if they were positive. All right, next one down below, it says write the product of 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 in exponential form. When you see exponential form, you see the word exponent in there. That means write that expression, 7 times 7 times 7 times 7, with an exponent. So if you know this, if you remember, this means you're multiplying 7, which is your base, 4 times, and 4 is your exponent. And that's all you have to do. You did not even have to solve that one. All right, that's it for your homework help. If you have any other questions, make sure you ask me in class. Thanks.